on YouTube? My name is Evan and I'm here for Dual Boot Tech. Today I've got a $900 gaming PC build for you all. So to start off with our motherboard, we're going to be using the Gigabyte G8 990FX-UD3 motherboard. This is a $109 motherboard. It supports AM3 and AM3 Plus CPU sockets. It has support for up to 32 gigabytes of dual channel RAM, which is plenty for a gaming PC. We have 6 SATA 6 gigabits per second ports, and we have a micro ATX form factor board here. This has 4 PCI Express 2.0 slots. There is more PCI slots, but with gaming and Crossfire and everything like that, SLI, it has support for Crossfire and SLI modes on your video card, but we won't be needing that for this build. But it does have 4 PCI Express 2.0 expansion slots if you choose to use them. For a CPU, we're going to be using the AMD FX 6300. This is a $99 CPU. It is in the socket AM3 Plus design. It is the Vishera architecture. It is a 6-core CPU. It is 3.5 GHz stock and 4.1 GHz turbo, and it is a 95-watt CPU. For our video card, we're going to be using the Asus DirectCu 2 OC. It is a $329 video card, and that OC stands for overclock. This card is great for overclocking. If you choose to overclock it, go right ahead. It is easy. It has an unlocked architecture, and it is a PCI Express 3.0 slot. It is in the Radeon R9 290 architecture. 4 gigabytes of 512-bit GDDR5 memory, and it has a memory clock of 5040 megahertz. That is insane. For our RAM, we're going to be using the Corsair Vengeance 8 gigabytes of 2 sticks. That is 2 4-gig sticks. It is an $89 kit. Like I said, we get 2 sticks of DDR3 memory. Both sticks are 4 gigs each. Like I said, it's in the Vengeance series. The cast latency is 9, and it is 1600 megahertz, which is perfect for gaming. For storage, for our hard disk drive, we're going to be using a Western Digital Blue Edition 1 terabyte hard drive. This is a 7200 RPM drive. It's only going to set you back $54.99. That is an insane price per gigabyte thing. I don't even know how to say it. For our SATA, it's going to have a SATA 6 gigabit per second port, and it is, like I said, a Blue Edition drive. It has a 64 megabyte cache, which is awesome. For our SSD, we're going to be using the Silicon Power S63K. The 3K has nothing to do with the video, guys, but it is a 64.99 drive. It is a 120 gigabyte drive. We're going to get read speeds up to 550 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 500 megabytes per second. It has shockproof and anti-vibration support built in, which is awesome because if you are traveling with this case and you drop it, or this computer and you drop it, this drive is going to be safe. It is a SATA 3 port, and it is in a 2.5-inch form factor. For our case, we're going to be using the Corsair Carbide Series CC-901-11051-WW case. It is a $59 case, and it is, as I said, a Corsair Carbide Series case. It is in the mid-tower range. It has support for up to 10 fans. That is amazing. It's great for cable management. 2 USB 3.0 ports in the front. It has dust filters, but only on 2 fans, which is perfectly fine, but they're in the intake fans. For our power supply unit, we're going to be using the Thermaltake Tough Power TPD-050M power supply, sorry. This is an 80 plus gold certified power supply. It is 750 watts. That is going to be perfect for this computer. It has SLI and Crossfire support. It is an 80 plus gold and Haswell ready certified power supply. It's semi-modular, which means we can take out some of the cables, but not all of them. It has flat modular cables, which is perfect again for cable management. It has a silent fan, which will keep it running quiet. And it has high-quality Japanese capacitors, which is going to make this power supply last you a long time. For our CPU cooler, we're going to be using the Corsair H100i. This is a $99 CPU cooler. It has extreme performance, dual 140mm fans, a 240mm radiator. It is Corsair Link compatible which if you choose to add later, it will work. And it has low RPM fans to keep it quiet. So guys, my overall thoughts on this PC: you can probably play the newest titles such as Battlefield 4, Minecraft, Skyrim, games like that on max settings, if not at least high settings, at 1080p. You're probably going to be getting, in Minecraft, at least 40 to 50 frames per second on high settings. That is mainly due to the 4GB video card that we get. That video card is amazing. And we also get an FX processor. FX processors are more geared towards gaming. So this computer is going to be very nice for gaming. If you guys want to check out these products I've mentioned in this video, check out the links in the description below. You can find all the products on Newegg. The total cost for this computer is $909. That is not including tax, and that is the prices as of right now. The prices may go up, they may go down, but you can just check Newegg for the latest and best prices, in my opinion. So, as I said, all the links for these products are going to be down in the description below. If you guys have any questions on this build or an upcoming build, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, subscribe to us, and follow us on Twitter. As always, I'm Evan here.